Well, folks, I'm here at Cascada de Mundo in Minca. So I just wanted to do a little video here by the falls so you can check it out. Okay?
Yo por ahí, pues me muy bien, pero no, ya lo ves por ahí. Me gusta hacer 10 años de preparación y luego ir a ¿qué tal?
Okay, folks, apparently this waterfall is called the Ear of the World. Ear de Monde. My Spanish is so-so. Oreja, oreja. So let's get in a little bit closer and see my buddies here before I finish the video. Señor, YouTube video. Gracias, señor.
Okay.
Tu ayuda a mí. Bien día. Okay.
Hey, Alex.
Alex.
Yeah.
Hey, birthday, birthday.
Ahí tenemos a Al, el caremondá que no entiende que esto se llama el oído del mundo, ¿ya? Nosotros decimos caremondá, ¿ya? Al dice que es la oreja, entonces por eso le digo, hey, caremondá, es el oído del mundo. No, careverga, es oído.
Look at Alex, he's like a monkey. Monkey.
Ya. Hey, quiero que entiendas, no es oreja, es oído del mundo. ¿Ya?
Okay. Okay. ¿Qué nombre?
Oído del mundo, Caremondá.
Okay. Hola. Mi YouTube video. So, there's Alex. I'm telling you, this waterfall, you go in there and relax. Get over there. Every inch and feet. Get over there. I want to get you in the video. Don't feel anything for 2 days after you do this. Ali, okay. So there you go, beautiful waterfall. Nice people. Bueno, personas. ¿Dónde eres, señorita, señor? Venezuela. Oh, Venezuela. Visitors from Venezuela. Ah, that's them. Them. Hola. So that's it. I'm going to finish up the video now. So, thanks for watching my video from the waterfall. Pretty crazy here, and this is just the first waterfall in Minca. There's many more waterfalls. Okay, you know what I say? I'm working on it. Take care.